The benefits of personal growth and how to make it a priority. The benefits of personal growth. Why making it a priority should be your top goal. Personal growth is a lifelong journey of self-improvement and personal development. It's about constantly learning, evolving, and becoming a better version of yourself. Unfortunately, many people put their personal growth on the back burner, believing that it's not a priority or that they don't have the time to invest in it. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of personal growth and why it should be a top priority in your life. Self-discovery. Personal growth allows you to get to know yourself better, your values, beliefs, and what drives you. Through this self-discovery process, you can identify your strengths and weaknesses, and work on improving yourself. Greater resilience. Personal growth helps you develop a stronger and more resilient mindset. You learn to handle stress and adversity with more ease, and bounce back from setbacks more quickly. Improved relationships. When you work on yourself, you become a better partner, friend, and family member. Personal growth allows you to communicate more effectively, listen with empathy, and show compassion towards others. More fulfillment. Personal growth gives you a sense of purpose and direction in life. You'll have a greater understanding of what truly matters to you, and you'll feel a greater sense of fulfillment in all areas of your life. Now that we've discussed the benefits of personal growth, let's talk about how you can make it a priority in your life. Set goals. Identify areas of your life where you want to grow and develop, and set specific goals to achieve that growth. These goals should be challenging but achievable, and should align with your values and vision for your life. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential for personal growth. Make time for exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough rest. Practice self-compassion and give yourself permission to take breaks when you need them. Learn continuously. Personal growth requires a commitment to lifelong learning. Read books, attend workshops, and take courses that will help you develop new skills and knowledge. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage your personal growth. Stay away from negative influences and those who bring you down. In conclusion, personal growth is essential for living a fulfilling and purposeful life. By making it a priority, you can reap the many benefits that come with it, and become the best version of yourself. Start by setting goals, prioritizing self-care, learning continuously, and surrounding yourself with positivity. Remember, personal growth is a journey, not a destination, so enjoy the ride and keep growing. Thanks for watching. Like, follow and subscribe, share with a friend.